Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, sales manager here, and today I've got an application spotlight to go over with you about this lift and dump machine right behind me. Lift and dumps offer processors a great advantage to the material handling because they can discharge at really high elevations while still allowing their operators to load at a ground entry, which enables them to utilize either tow motors or pallet jacks or other things that get them away from having to utilize a valuable resource like a forklift. Now, this lift and dump is designed with a lot of different features involved that were specific to its application. The application is going to be discharging reject and scrap plastic, large, bulky pieces into a downstream size reduction machine. This machine will also be located in the greater Southwest United States, where it's extremely dry and extremely hot. It's not going to be located indoors in a temperature controlled environment. And the customer that we were working with on this also had a lot of safety measures that they wanted to implement to make sure they kept their operators safe and free from harm or harmful situations. So let's take a dive into some of these features. First off, let's start with the bucket. We know that the material is going to be stacked in kind of a lasagna fashion, right? There's no pallets that we're going to have to worry about, but we needed a spot for the operators to load the machine and then pull out their forks. So we've got a forklift fork wiper blade right here. The material is stored outside, and even though we're in the Great Southwest where it's very dry, there's still going to be potential for humidity to be developed into it or maybe a recent rain. So we've got some weep holes in the back of the bucket to make sure that any fluid can drain out during the rotation, minimizing how much water goes into the downstream process. Now you'll notice our safety cage with light skirting assembly on this. It's a little unique. Customer was really insistent on having guarding all the way up and down on the machine. You can also see that we two-tone colored it. So all the expanded metal is painted black, which is a much higher increased visibility inside the container as opposed to the all yellow. For operator ergonomics, we incorporated this push button stand here. So a high-load driver is going to be able to enter in, drop off their load of plastic reclaim, exit out of the safety cage area, hit the reset button and the cycle start button. So I'll go put it in auto mode here so that you can see it in action. I'd like to further detail out some of the customizations that we've made on this machine for you. This customer was very safety conscious. Our machine actually is designed for a safety category 3 PLD rating. And so we can see on here that we've got light screens, but these are finger safe light screens. So no matter how far I go, you can actually see an indication on where I'm exactly broken, whether it's my finger, my hand, or my whole body if I were to put that in there. Some of the other features that we've got are additional guarding on the back side of the dumper here. Again, it's the two-tone black expanded metal with yellow frame for ease of visibility for servicing and maintenance. Another safety feature, we've got dual monitoring hydraulic blocking valves here. So we got double redundancy in our hydraulic circuit. Again, because it was going to go out in the Southwest where we know it's very hot, we've got a heat exchanger for hydraulic fluid. And then because it's, although it's going to be covered, but still exposed to the elements, all of our enclosures are a stainless steel NEMA 4X. The control panel is a UL listed control panel. and it is one of our auto manual panels. As we identified watching the video, the machine cycles up, rotates over, sets for a set duration of time, then comes back home. So obviously some detailed items here that we don't typically do. We don't do on our standard production, but it's all within our capabilities. So if you've got some customized needs or some challenge that you'd like to be handled, please give us a call. We'll catch you on the next one.